There are many things that make our world go round. For example, we know for a fact that there are thousands of species still undiscovered in the Amazon rainforest. This is why today we are going to show you 5 mysterious creatures that can be found in the Amazon rainforest. Let's get started. No. 5. Goliath bird eater. The Goliath bird eater is one of the most impressive spiders in the world, not just because of its huge size, but also because of its strength. These hairy, rather ugly spiders can grow to be around 12 inches or 30 centimeters long. To put this into perspective, that is about the size of a human hand. It is also known to prey on hummingbirds, which is quite remarkable given that it can only catch its prey with its hands. You heard us right. It uses 2 of its 8 legs to hold on to the bird while it rips the wings off with its remaining 6 legs. Once it has no more feathers to eat, it will devour the hummingbird's body. Just imagine being attacked by this beast while walking through the rainforest. We think we would probably faint from fright. Number 4. Vampire fish. There are many strange fish that can be found in the Amazon rain. This is due to the unique conditions found in the water. With murky waters and an abundance of unusual animals, it's no wonder why. One of the scariest fish that call this place home is the vampire fish. Don't let the name fool you. Although they look like normal fish, they have a taste for blood. However, unlike vampires, these creatures do not discriminate between humans and animals. They will feed on both if given the opportunity. The vampire fish is known for attacking other fish and biting them repeatedly until their prey bleeds to death. After this, they feast on the injured animal. But how do they get their prey? Well, they usually wait for their victim to fall asleep before striking. So if you ever come across a vampire fish, we recommend staying awake at all times. That might be quite difficult though, because the fish is so scary that it might just give you a heart attack. No. 3. Bullet ant. If you thought that regular ants were scary, then just wait until you hear about the bullet ant. These insects are not only large in size, but also extremely aggressive. In fact, the bullet ant gets its name from the fact that its sting feels like being shot at. The pain is unbearable and can even cause you to pass out. Bullet ants are known for being extremely territorial, so don't expect them to be friendly. Their stinger is incredibly powerful, and they will use it whenever they feel threatened. So what should you do if you encounter one? The best thing to do is to stay calm and slowly back away. If you try to swat it, it will only make things worse and increase your chances of being stung. Once you have backed away from the insect, you need to find somewhere safe to wait until the pain goes away. But please remember, whatever you do, do not scratch the area. This could lead to a secondary infection, and if you do get infected, we don't know if the medical services in the rainforest are up to par. No. 2. Electric eel. As we mentioned earlier, there are many strange fish that live in the Amazon rain. The electric eel is one of them. Although it's called an eel, it is actually more closely related to the catfish. However, although they may look ordinary, don't be fooled by their appearance. The electric eel is capable of producing a powerful electric shock that can stun its prey. It can also use this ability to navigate through murky waters, allowing it to easily find its way around. But how strong is the electric eel's shock? Well, it depends on the size of the eel. Smaller eels can produce shocks of around 60 volts, while larger ones can produce shocks of up to 860 volts. That is enough electricity to power a small house for an entire day. The electric eel is able to produce such a powerful shock thanks to specialized cells in its body. These cells work together to create an electric field that the eel can control. When the eel is threatened, it will discharge its electric field, stunning its attacker. The electric eel is a very effective hunter, and it uses its electric shock to stun fish, which it then eats. It is also sometimes hunted by humans, who use the eel's own electricity against it. Humans can also be stunned by the electric eel's powerful shock, so it is important to be careful when handling these eels. No. 1. Glass frog. Did you know that there are frogs that can turn invisible? Well, there is a type of glass frog that is so transparent that you can see through its body. This is due to the fact that the frog's skin is very thin and translucent. In addition, the frog's organs are also clear, which allows light to pass through them. When the frog is resting, it is difficult to see because it blends in with its surroundings. This is an adaptation that helps the frog to camouflage itself from predators. However, the frog's transparency does not extend to its eyes. Its eyes are black, which makes him stand out from the rest of its body. This is an adaptation that helps the frog to see in the dark, while some people believe that the glass frog is actually a real frog. That has been mutated. This is not the case. In fact, the glass frog is a rare species of frog that is found in the Amazon rainforest. Although the frog is very elusive, it is occasionally captured by scientists who study it. The frog is typically shy and skittish, but it can be handled if it is done carefully. When the frog is held, it should be supported on all sides so that it does not fall apart. Despite its fragile appearance, the glass frog is a strong animal that can survive in a variety of habitats. It is well adapted to life in the rainforest, where it feeds on insects and other small animals. The glass frog is an amazing creature that is truly unique. Its ability to camouflage itself makes it one of the most elusive animals in the rainforest. Which of these animals was the most surprising to you? Were you shocked by the existence of the vampire fish? Or did you find the glass frog more fascinating? Either way, we hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing creatures. And do not forget to stay tuned for more videos about the Amazon rainforest and other amazing places around the world. We have made videos about the Amazon before, but there is always more to learn about this mysterious place. If you liked this video, you might want to check out some of our others, such as the one we did about the most haunted places in the Amazon rainforest. You can click on that screen to get straight to it. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.